Polar Track. It's a pump for your SUP, blow-up tents, jet ski rafts, and more. We're going to blow up the SUP and show you what this is about. It's a battery-operated pump with 2,000 milliamp batteries that you take along and pump up to the desired pressure. So let's open up the box, show you what you get inside. Nicely packaged and presented to you. It weighs up to 3 pounds. It's a nice size. It's got a nice large window display, black, a nice grip, nice handle, blue vents, legs on the bottom, and your inflate, deflate area with an LED light. We have the USB-C charging cable, the instruction guides, a carrying bag, and the pumps and pieces you need to blow up. And here's everything that you need to blow up your raft. And we have the pump hose, and we're going to set up our unit. Your raft by setting up. As we turn our pump on, we have the controls to increase, decrease. We have the rafts changing over here. We'll show you this inside. And we have the pump, flow, suction. We have the corresponding piece that we screw on, little loops, and the other end to the pump. To inflate and to pump is simply placing on, twisting, and pumping. It's a quiet pump. Takes a number of minutes to pump up. Portable, up to 4 SUPs, inflate, deflate. Two stages. The pump is for rafts, inflatables, small inflatable beach balls. When the pump is completed, it automatically shuts down. Long press to turn off, simply disconnect and close up. Your inflatable pump, rubber feet, nice large window, nice carrying handle, and bag and all.